Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nihar Enterprises. Hope you all are safe in your home. This video is going to be special and interesting because in this video you will get to see a detailed comparison of 2020 BS6 compliant Maruti Suzuki Dzire facelift versus Honda Amaze. So make sure watch this video till end to make right choice of your dream compact sedan. And please watch the complete conclusion part at the end of this video because in that I have explained the transmission option which is most preferable for you and reliable to use. So friends, before starting the core content of this video, I would like to request all the new viewers to please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to not miss any of the new updates on this channel. So friends, as usual we will start from the exterior looks of the sedan, but friends wait, there is one work for you. The exterior looks I leave up to you because everyone has a different opinion, different likes and dislikes. So friends, just drop down below in the comment box your opinion, your reviews and views regarding the exterior looks of this both beautiful looking sedans. So now we will move on towards our second point, that is dimensions of this both sedan. So first, Dzire has a length of 3995 mm, a width of 1735 mm, height of 1515 mm, wheelbase of 2450 mm, and whereas the boot space available in this Dzire is 378 liters. Whereas if we compare the Dzire with the Amaze, Amaze has the length of 3995 mm which is similar to the Dzire. The width is 1695 mm which is less than the Dzire. The height of Amaze is 1498 mm which is also less than Dzire. The wheelbase is 2470 mm which is 20 mm more than the Dzire. The boot space available in Amaze is 420 liters which is too decent in its segment. So now we will come towards our third comparison point of this sedans, that is engine specification. So let's see how is the engine performance of this both sedan, that is Dzire and Amaze. So first we will see of Dzire. The Dzire get 1197 cc 1.2 liter advanced K series dual jet dual VVT petrol engine. There is no diesel option. Manual transmission has mileage around 23.26 kmpl, whereas automatic transmission has 24.12 kmpl. If we compare the Dzire engine with Amaze engine, the Amaze get engine of 1199 cc in which we get again two options, that is petrol engine and diesel engine. In Dzire we won't get a diesel engine because Maruti Suzuki has paused the diesel engine option. In Amaze we get 1.2 liter IVTEC petrol engine which produces power of 90 PS and 1.5 liter IDTEC diesel engine which produces power of 100 PS. So now if we see the mileage figures of Amaze, the petrol engine of Amaze, that is IVTEC engine, gives a mileage around 18.6 kmpl, and the diesel engine, that is IDTEC, gives a mileage around 24.7 kmpl. So our fourth comparison point is transmissions available. The Dzire get transmission option of both manual transmission and AGS transmission. AGS is nothing but automatic gear shifter, which is nothing but AMT transmission, that is automatic manual transmission. And if we compare with the Amaze get and both manual transmission, the manual transmission is in both option Dzire as well as Amaze. But in Amaze we don't get an AMT option, we get CVT option instead of AMT. CVT means continuously variable transmission. So friends, we will see now the fifth comparison point, which is features, which is the most point that the sedans offer to the customers. So one by one we will look after to. The Dzire get LED projector headlamps which are auto headlamps, which get features like lead me to vehicle, follow me home, which is integrated with DRLs, Whereas if we compare with the Amaze won't get an LED projector headlamp, they get halogen which have an DRLs, but they are not automatic headlamps. The Dzire get dual tone interiors, that is with beige color which look too premium with wooden accent, whereas in Amaze, if we compare, Amaze also get an dual tone dashboard with piano black finish which look too premium and appealing. The Dzire has an front door armrest with fabric, whereas Amaze get no fabric on the armrest. The Dzire get an rear AC vent, whereas in Amaze the rear AC vent for the occupants are missing. The Dzire get automatic climate control. Also in Amaze, automatic climate control is available. And if we come towards this next point, that is the Dzire get electromagnetic trunk opening, but in Amaze there is no electromagnetic trunk opening. In Dzire we get electrically adjustable ORVMs. Also in Amaze we get an electrically adjustable ORVMs. In Dzire we get cruise control. Also in Amaze we get cruise control. In Dzire we get electrically foldable ORVMs with key sensing. Also in Amaze we get an key sensing foldable electrical ORVMs. In Dzire we get height adjustable driver seat. Also in Amaze it is present. The Dzire get tilt steering. Also the same function is offered to Amaze. Amaze also get an tilt steering function. And if we see towards the luggage room lamp is available in Dzire, and in also Amaze it is available. Dzire has an adjustable front seat headrest as well as rear seat headrest, but if we compare with the Amaze get only the front seat headrest, adjustable headrest, but there is no rear seat adjustable headrest. Now we will compare this both sedan on the basis of safety features that they offer. The Dzire offer an ABS with EBD and brake assist, whereas in Amaze we get ABS with EBD but there is no brake assist. In Dzire we get an dual airbags, whereas in Amaze also we get an dual airbags. We get anti-thief security system in both sedans, Dzire as well as Amaze. In Dzire we get an reverse parking sensors. Also in Amaze we get the same facility, that is reverse parking sensors. In Dzire we get an ESP with hill hold assist, but this big feature is missing in the Amaze. We won't get an ESP with hill hold assist. In Dzire we get rear defogger. Also in Amaze we get an rear defogger. In Dzire we get an ISOFIX child seat mount. Also in Amaze we get an child seat mount. In Dzire we get an night and day adjustable IRVMs. Also the Amaze has the same features of adjustable IRVMs. In Dzire we get an speed alert. Also in Amaze we get an same facility of speed alert. In Dzire we get an driver and co-driver seat belt reminder, whereas in Amaze we get only driver seat belt reminder. We won't get an co-driver side seat belt reminder. So now we will see our sixth comparison point, that is the price ranges of this both sedan. So the Maruti Suzuki Dzire price ranges from 5,89,000 to 8,80,000 ex showroom prices, whereas the Amaze price ranges from 6,10,000 to 9,96,000 ex showroom prices. So friends, this was all about the comparison of both sedans. In this video I have tried to give a brief comparison of both sedan, but to see the detailed videos of these both sedans you can visit the I button given above of the both videos, that is BS6 compliant Dzire facelift as well as the video of Honda Amaze. So make sure to go and watch that in detail. So friends, according to me, in conclusion I would like to add that both sedans are good looking, comfortable, premium, but there are some minus and plus points of the both sedans. In Dzire we get an enough headroom space where the tall person can sit comfortably in Dzire, but whereas if we see in the Honda Amaze, we get a congested headroom where a tall person will feel an somewhat uncomfortableness in Honda Amaze. In Honda Amaze we won't get a rear AC, but in Dzire we get a rear AC. So these are somewhat the plus and minus points of the vehicles. If we see towards the transmissions option available, the Dzire get a manual transmission and AMT transmission, that is AGS, automatic gear shifter, but some customer won't able to drive an AMT, so they can go prefer for Amaze CVT. CVT is the best option, that is continuously variable transmission, where there is a pulley and belt. There are no gear shifting headache, just you should accelerate, there is no clutch pedal and all. It will go on changing the gear ratio and your sedan will move on and on. So nowadays we see that many of the customers most probably prefers an CVT option because CVT is most reliable to use. So friends, I leave up to you who should be winner of this comparison, the Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Auris and Honda Amaze. So just drop down below in the comment box who should be the winner of this comparison and which sedan you are willing to buy in 2020. Yes friends, this was all about the detailed comparison video of Maruti Suzuki Dzire facelift versus Honda Amaze. If you feel the video was informative, then please hit the like button, share this video much more, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to not miss any new update on this channel. Thank you friends.